Legend has it there is a spellbound unicorn lost in the forest that possesses unparalleled healing powers. Finding an exceptional champion to discover the clues, solve the riddles, and fly in 3D on this royal quest is the key to unlocking them. Unicorn Blue, mobile app and charms. Explore Unicorn Blue's enchanted forest and meet her fairy friends. Sleuthing clues and solving riddles is the key to finding rewards that the forest fairies have left for you.
Unicorn Blue has a surprise for you. A charm and a clue hidden in a place where birds rule. Your friend, Turtle.
Okay, y'all.
Birds rule.
In the nest or
Trees. Should we go find a big tree around here where you
I
think?
think I see some big trees around. Can I see? Me too.
Okay, so let's go look in the in real life. Let's go look for a big tree.
Keep looking, there's a lot of trees.
That one right there with the big one.
Oh.
Look there. I found it! I found it!
Oh, what did you find? It is from the birds.
Yeah, everybody will. Yeah. There's a feather for you. Look, I'm ready for you. Yay!
Oh, those are extras. Okay.
Can I get changing? I just love it.
Yeah.
There are also level rewards. An augmented reality photo booth to discover the magic of friendship and the unicorn within. Resilience and teamwork are your best resources to solve the riddles and find the charms to save Unicorn Blue before it's too late. Our pre- and post-flight STEM tutorials reinforce active learning.
I figured out how to jump and turn around. It's like you press the jump button and press the sideways button so we can turn.
Yeah, so it's like you're flying, kind of?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also like the donkey in glasses.
He's very silly, right?
It's easy to download Unicorn Blue. Just head over to goldenpoppy.net. Click on Boutique, scroll down, and find the software download. Go to checkout, enter your email, agree to the T's and C's, and check out. Enter your information and place your order. Then check your mobile device. You will receive 2 emails. One will be an order confirmation, and the other will be a wallet coupon. Click the one link URL in the coupon, and it will take you directly to the iOS or Android site.
While I'm playing the game, if I want to invite my friends and call them so we could talk about Unicorn Blue, I can call one of my friends. My friend will receive the call, and we can even add a third person. And all 3 of us can play and talk together.